start our today's project. It's about an elegant earring, crystal beaded earrings. We are making with blue crystal beads, sterling, sparkling blue crystal beads of 8 mm. So we have to make today's project with these beads. We are taking, in beginning we will take 4 seed beads white 11 plus 1 seed bead silver 8 plus 4 seed beads white 11, and we will take with these beads 4 bicone silver and 3 crystal beads blue 8 mm. We will join these beads making 2 or 3 knots. Then we will pass our needle through our blue crystal bead. Then we add these 4 seed beads white 11 seed beads plus 1 seed bead 8 silver plus 4 seed beads white seed beads 11, and we will repeat this process with other 2 blue crystal beads. We have added 2 times with 2 crystal beads, seed beads 11 and seed bead 8. Now we are adding to our third one blue crystal bead. We are adding seed beads 11 plus 1 seed bead silver 8. After adding these beads, we will bring our beaded parts. We have beaded seed beads. We will join these 8 seed beads, silver 8 seed beads. In the center, we will pass our needle through silver seed beads 8's. We are passing our needle through silver seed beads 8's. We have 3 silver seed beads here, and we will add 1 more silver seed bead 8 here. We will add here 1 more seed bead 8. We are adding, and it is added now. आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने अब तक 3 सीड बीड, हमारे जो क्रिस्टल बीड्स हैं, हमने उनके राउंड नीडल को गुजारते हुए हमने 3 टाइम्स हमने सीड बीड्स 11 और सीड बीड 8 ऐड किए, और अब हमने यही प्रोसेस और फिर आखिर में हमने ज्वाइन किया। अब यही प्रोसेस हमने दूसरी साइड टर्न किया है। हमने अपने बीडेड पार्ट को, और इसकी बैक साइड जो बनती है, दूसरी साइड बनती है, वहाँ भी यही प्रोसेस हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं। हम यहाँ पर भी इसी तरह से 4 सीड बीड 11 प्लस 1 सीड बीड सिल्वर 8 प्लस 4 सीड बीड्स 11 हम ये ऐड करेंगे अपने तीनों ब्लू क्रिस्टल बीड्स के अराउंड। We are adding seed beads, passing our needle through bicones and blue crystal bead. These are triangular shaped are earrings. Today we are making triangular shape. As you look, these earrings are very cute, looking elegant, and a different look, a different style. This is not a typical style earrings, it is something different, triangular shape. Now we are adding one more time. We are adding seed bead, 4 seed bead 11 plus 1 seed bead 8 plus 4 seed bead 11, and now we will join these beaded parts to the center. We will pass our needle through silver seed beads 8, and we will add here one more silver bead 8. In this way we will join 4 seed bead 8s here. In the center we have 4 seed beads 8s. We have to join these beads, then our beading process will be complete here, and later on we will be adding our earring wire. Here we will add one more seed bead 8, silver seed bead 8. यहाँ एक सीड बीड और ऐड किया जाएगा। इस तरह से हमारे सेंटर में ये जो ज्वाइन हम कर रहे हैं जिन बीड्स को, सीड बीड्स को, ये 4 सीड बीड्स हैं टोटल, जिनके अराउंड ट्रांसपेरेंट वाइट सीड बीड्स 11 हमने ऐड किए हुए हैं। बहुत ही अच्छी सी एलिगेंट लुक आ रही है इनकी। सिल्वर का कॉम्बिनेशन, सिल्वर सीड बीड्स और ब्लू क्रिस्टल बीड्स, बहुत ही एलिगेंट सी लुक आ रही है। इट्स अ क्यूट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कलर्स। आई ऑलवेज ट्राई to make some jewelry with good color combinations. I hope you would like this combination of colors. You must try this combination of colors with beads. Both parts, beaded parts, both sides of our earring, both sides are ready, complete, and now we are passing our needle through seed beads. We will go up to these beads to the center of our earring. And now here we will bring here our thread, and we will add here earring wire. We have bring our thread here to the center bead 8 silver seed bead, and we are adding 3 seed beads earring wire, then again 3 seed beads, transparent seed beads 8 11. We are adding here, and with adding these earring wire and beads, we will complete our earrings beading process. We will pass again our needle through the beads and earring wires hook. We will pass our needle 2 times here to secure our earring wire. And now we are going to finish our beading setup. We are making knots here. After making knots, we will trim the extra thread. Now it's ready to wear. An elegant look. You can see it's very cute. Our earrings are sparkling earrings, cute blue crystals with silver beads, sparkling crystal beads. Our lovely earrings are ready, triangular shape. Please subscribe my channel. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye.